you're asking the name on the screen. This is ANVI Masterclass, of course. I mean, so this is first 2 days. Okay, since we are just passing time, let us just get started in 2 minutes. And so last 2 days, we have organized a slice training program. Professor Vincent Costello, can you just stand up and say hi to everybody? Yeah. And he was so gracious, made a lot of effort by him and his team. They brought all the workstations, 3D models, actual devices, so around 28 people were involved. And for 2 days, we had intense on a lot of aneurysm 3D models. They could do actual practice of the procedures. And Dr. Matthew and Dr. Sukalyan and Dr. Tufel were also there. We were busy like crazy for the last 2 days, you know. So now we are getting oriented to this meeting. That's why some delays and some hodgepodge in the morning. We got pretty late evening yesterday and everything, all right? And the whole idea was that I always wanted to do a technical training course. You know, we hold conferences. I've held conferences and lectures and everything. But how do we improve the way procedures we do? One thing is no to theory. Even I feel even when we see live cases, it's exciting. But what happens in the operator's mind? How do they take those decisions? How do we really improve the outcome? Sometimes I think that gets missed. All right. So whole idea of this 3-day training program was to do a very technical training program. It's not a regular conference. So first 2 days were very intense with selected students, this Slice India. I'm very happy this is first such course organized in Asia actually. Previously Slice has only happened in France and US. And we have started the Indian edition and hopefully we'll be able to continue. It was a very intense and getting all those devices is not so easy. It's only because of the French team and Professor Vincent that we were able to get them. All right. I hope those 28 students really had a good time and helps. Now, this day program is like video and case-based discussion, most of them video. Sometimes if we don't need video, we can have a technical discussion otherwise, but it's a technical training program. The aim is when you go back, you change the way you do the procedures, period. We don't want theory and somebody did this, did that, all right? So it's interactive and we have planned that on the screen our speakers can annotate. The whole plan was that even chairpersons can intervene and annotate on the screen, but there is some technical hitch, that's why there is a delay. We'll see if that also works out. So it will be interactive, case-based discussion, focus on technicality of the procedures. How do we take decisions, what do we do, various situations, how we resolve them and everything, all right? That's the whole aim of this meeting. So although the first talk is by Professor Vincent, but Ajit Puri has been waiting for a while and his is a recorded video. So I think we can start with Ajit's talk and then Professor Vincent takes over and we carry on through the day. It's a longish program, one of the issues which we have realized. So let us see, we hope to finish it. Otherwise, it can become part of continued education which we're planning. So Vincent and myself, we also discussed that we should have online presence. So we are going to record these videos and with the permission of the speakers, we want to build a site. We'll link that site to the Slice site as well. So we build an online repository where we can access these technical things and we keep adding to it. So while this is offline, I hope to continue the same kind of discussions online till we again come offline in future. So it's a online, offline format which is in my mind, all right? So the site which we are building is the Neurointerventionist, and of course you have great videos on Slice site. You can always go there, Master and Fellow Slice site. We have a lot of technical videos there as well, okay?